Good morning everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're in Aiguille du Midi, which is right on top of Chamonix, and this is one of the highest places you can go to without hiking because you can go up here with a cable car. We are right now at, I think, elevation 3,870 meters if I'm not mistaken. And today, unfortunately, the weather not very good, so you can't really see anything right now. But yeah, going up here is quite expensive. It's about 60 euros return for the cable car ticket. But it's supposed to be worth it if the weather is nice, but it's not nice, unfortunately. And yeah, I'm with Amalia today, but unfortunately she's not feeling well because of the altitude sickness. I'm starting to get a bit dizzy as well, and I have a history of really extreme altitude sickness, so I can really feel it right now. And that over there is the highest point you can go to. I'm still trying to figure out how do I get there. But yeah, excited? Let's explore Aiguille du Midi.
Téléphérique en fait, c'est celui-là. Tu vois, comme besoin.
Nice to meet you. So yeah, I guess this is the absolute top, 3,842 meters above sea level, and you cannot see anything. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head back down because there's nothing much to see. A couple of B-roll shots and then let's head back down. Good morning everyone, welcome to day 2 of our Chamonix adventures. Yesterday we had to rush back and then Amalia managed to sleep properly in 1,000 meters elevation, and then now she's feeling really good. Amalia, are you feeling good?
I'm feeling marvelous.
Marvelous. And today we're gonna hike to Pryces and then hopefully to Le Frégère, and if we have the time to Lac Blanc, which is supposedly really beautiful. And look at that scenery behind us. So amazing, but unfortunately today it's raining the entire day, so it is quite a risk to hike today, but it's okay. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain towards the afternoon. You can see a bit of the blue sky, so let's go. Hey guys, so we managed to finally reach the top, but we kind of cheated slightly with a slight escalator at the end. But yeah, we're at, I think, altitude 2,000 meters above sea level, and you can see behind me is completely foggy, Foogie, and you cannot see anything. So we're quite demoralized. May not go to Breven or Frégère. Frégère, the ski lift is not working, so if we do go to Frégère, which is another 2 hours hike from here, we have to climb all the way back down. And looking at the ski lift over there in Pryces, it looks really tempting. Imagine not having to go down. You can save your legs for tomorrow, because tomorrow we might try Grand Balcon Nord, because this is the Grand Balcon Sud right behind me. And that's part of the Tour du Mont Blanc trail that we should be doing next July if the weather is good. So, and we met new friends as well. Hello. What are your names?
I'm Dheeraj.
I'm Manta.
And they're from India, living in Lyon, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they should be able to speak proper French. So, yeah, Amalia, you feeling great?
Yeah, good.
Good, and we brought some, what is that? Baguette with chili tuna. Chili tuna is the bomb, man, guys. Woohoo! So yeah, time to eat and time to maybe either head down or go to Preven, but it's, look at that, it's so foggy. Yeah, no point really.
Later.
Guess what, guys? We decided to be naughty and decided to head for Preven, which is another 540 meters up. Yeah, so far so good. Weather is not good. Amalia is feeling super demotivated. But yeah, we're gonna head on to our adventure up Preven. Guys, we made it to the top! Woohoo! And the view is epic! So worth it! And there's blue sky over there! Look at that blue sky! Haven't seen that in years. And yeah, that's the top. You actually can get up to here through the ski lifts during summer, but today it's closed because it's autumn. But oh my god, guys! Ta-da! We managed to get to the one of the last few teleferic. It's supposed to close by now, but it's still open for some reason.
I just hope that we won't be stuck in the middle.
Yeah, hopefully. Or if we're stuck in the middle, that's gonna be epic. It's gonna be really bad. Okay. Door is closing, that's a good sign. Alright, see you at the bottom. Guys, so we managed to make it down to the bottom of the teleferic and we're back in Chamonix, Amalia! Yay! Okay, something really
You don't need
bad.
to hike down.
Yeah, we don't have to hike now. And actually the teleferic is supposed to be closed already, but then we saw that the gondola was still running and the doors were open, so we hopped into it.
Yep, nobody was there, nobody's checking, so we're like,
Yeah, but it was so scary because we didn't know whether they're gonna just stop it halfway like they do right now. The teleferic is now stopped. And then we were worried that we might be stuck in there halfway down from the top. So that would be really, really scary. Thankfully, they did not and we managed to get it to the bottom.
So it stopped a bit for like 1 or 2 minutes. Oh, we were like so worried. Like, okay, time to call somebody, but then
Thankfully, they restarted it.
yeah,
Oh man, that was so scary.
that was scary.
Alright, off to day 3. Good morning everyone, welcome to day 3. Is it day 3? I think so. Yeah, it is day 3. So we are supposed to go to Le Bosson today, the glacier, which is really nice and it's gonna be an easier hike hopefully. The sad thing is we missed the bus to Le Bosson, which is the town where we start the hike. So we're gonna walk there for about 37 minutes and then we're gonna start the hike to the Le Bosson chalet. And hopefully if the track is not too treacherous, then we can continue on to the pyramids and then maybe to La Jonction. If it's easy, if it's okay, because it has been raining non-stop. But today the clouds has cleared, the fog has cleared, and you can see where we climbed yesterday, Preven. It's beautiful. Oh my. Ta-da! So we're at the start of the trail up to Le Bosson Glacier and it looks like The trail is beautiful, so beautiful, but it's still raining. I wouldn't say heavily, it's like a drizzle. So, but yeah, my camera is not waterproof. So minimum vlogging today.
Is it really 15 minutes? Is that it?
Yeah, and then after that we have Pyramids, which is 1 hour 45 minutes.
No. If you can confirm we can see glacier, then yeah, we can go.
Okay. Oh guys, look at that, so beautiful. That's the glacier, that's Glacier des Bossons. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce, but it's so beautiful. This is the first stop. This is the Chalet de Bossons. It's nice, and the hike so far is not too bad. It is quite gradual, quite steep at the start, but then after that it gets a bit gradual, and it's about 400 meters ascent to get to this point. So now there's another, I think, 500 meters ascent, and then we'll get to Pyramids, which is nearer to the glacier. So let's go. Can't believe yesterday we climbed all the way from that valley over there, all the way up to Breven, the top, the summit. Over there! Not bad! Guys, with all this amazing view and this amazing landscape, I suddenly had a self-realization that we are very, very lucky to be able to do this hike, to even be in Chamonix, because this is a dream location for me. I've always wanted to visit Chamonix since many years ago, but unfortunately due to a bad relationship, bad principles, I wasn't able to do it. So, but I'm always constantly reminded that getting to do this is a privilege, and it might be taken away from me. So we are not the decider of our fate. So if you have the chance to do this kind of adventure, don't think about it, just go ahead and do it, because you might not know, it might be taken away from you. So yeah, when you have that opportunity, do it. Amalia, we made it! And it's snowing really heavily. My goodness. Wow. Alright, let's try to find shelter. Look at the amount of snow. My goodness. Whew. Wow. It's a winter wonderland. Unfortunately, with all good things need to come to an end. And it's the end of our Chamonix Valley adventures. So this is day 4, and we're gonna check out from a brilliant Airbnb right now. This is an amazing Airbnb. Amalia, would you agree?
Yeah, I agree.
It's really nice. It's quite small, but it's really cozy. You have your sofa bed here, some books for you to read, and our host is really knowledgeable on all the hiking trails around here. So I'm gonna link this Airbnb in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. And if you do book with her, do let her know that you got recommended by us. And yeah, even the kitchen is well stocked, and the bathroom ensuite. So yeah, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us.